Ang hot talaga ng lap dance na yun, guys. Sana lahat na lap dance. What's up, everyone? It's me, yours, truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-18. We are back for another reaction video. At ito ay para kay Stell, para sa kanyang official music video ng kanyang solo single entitled Room. Papasukin natin ang kwarto ni Stell. Charis, napanood nga natin ang kanyang official performance sa All Out Sundays. Grabe, sobrang init at sobrang sexy, iba. Oo, at syempre excited tayo makita itong official music video, kaya samahan niyo ako for today, guys. But before proceed ko, bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god, nakaka-excite, guys. Finally, Stell is having his own single, and happiest birthday, Stell! Nako, ito na nga ang kanyang regalo sa mga ka-18. Ito na. Ay, pogi. Bagay sa kanya bago niyang hairstyle. Room. Restaurant pala yun, Charis. Diner pala. Akala ko naman kwarto talaga ni Stell, Charis. Parang lounge. Pogi. Mag-audition siya.
Here's the stage, everyone!
Ay.
Pakikuha ng mic.
Ay, Ate Chona. Charis. Pogi. Oh, I love the outfit. Oh my God. Nakita niyo ba yung kindat na yun? Nakindatan na naman tayo ni Stell. I love the outfit. And akala ko kwarto. Ano pala? Audition sa isang lounge. Ganun. Ay, may love interest. Iba palang binulungan ni Stell doon. Ay, natulala silang lahat. Sexy. I love it. Gusto ko yung ganun. Yung parang pag kumakanta si Stell, yung binubulungan ka niya, tapos na-in love ka ng bongga. Ganun. Ganda ng vocals. Sweating. Grabe. Alam mo, may Michael Jackson feels tong song na to. Yung, alam mo yung may angst, tapos may sexiness na yung charisma andoon. I love it. Sana binubulungan ng lahat. Ow! Sarap yung Stell. Ang ganda nga nung girl nung nasa AOS. Ayan na nga. Yan na nga sinasabi ko eh. Siya yung nasa AOS din pa. Parehas pa ng akala ko may kissing scene, Charis. Grabe naman yan. Sarap.
won't ever let you scare. Diamond is so pretty, I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, just when I'm
Eto pala yun.
I hate to break it to you, but if this world, there's no one left. Dance.
Ito na yung lap dance. So, oh my gosh. Ang hot talaga ng lap dance na yun, guys. Sana lahat na lap dance. Balikan natin. Grabe! Hotness overload. Iba yung liyad ni Stel yung mga ganong-ganon. Pak, oh.
Don't you worry, as long as you're here with me. You won't take
Oh.
no hurt, 'cause I will be
Oh no!
your
Oh my gosh!
if you only let me.
Nagkalapit na yung mga labi.
We won't have to leave this room, 'cause I know everything.
Grabe yung high notes, no? Nakakabilib talaga. Oh my God. Stel is such a total package. He can sing, he can dance, and hit those high
You
notes.
only
Balikan
let
natin.
me orchestrate this story. We won't have to leave this room, 'cause I know everything.
Grabe yung kalda. Sarap. Can you read the room? Oh, read the room. Grabe. Ow! Oh my God, love it. There you have it, guys. That is Stel for his single Room. Oh my God, grabe. Iba ang music video na ito. Alam mo, ang lakas maka-international talaga na parang SB19 really gives, or P-pop gives a different vibe in terms of music video ngayon. At talaga namang, ano na siya, yung pang-international levels, hindi na siya putyo-putyong music video. Iba yung concept, iba yung atake, yung cinematography, sobrang ganda. And of course, the music, the beat of the song, at na ang kagalingan ni Stel. He fits for this song. He was born to do this. And we are so proud and happy for him. And syempre, supportahan natin ang bonggang-bongga. And of course, once again, happiest birthday sa'yo, Stella. Mahal ka namin. Mahal kita. Charit. Sana makita kita in person ulit. Nung huli ko siya nakita is sa Pagtatag concert sa Philippines, pero sana mag-perform kayo dito sa Malaysia. Abangan ko yan. At syempre, hindi ko yan paalagpasin. Of course, sa mga ka-18 natin dyan, kung nag-enjoy kayo for today's reaction, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John, and this is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.
You